Greetings, sir. My name is Aryaman from class 9A. I'm going to do a maths experiment to prove the area of a circle through a parallelogram. These materials are required for this experiment. First, we need colored paper. It's only a decorative material. You could also do it with plain A4 sheets. Second, we need this thread. Then we need daily stationery, things like scale, erasers, markers. Then we need Fevicol or glue stick. We need double-sided tape, a scissor, paper clips, screws, and a cardboard. Now we are going to cut a circle of radius 7.5 centimeters out of this cardboard piece. We are going to cut it with a scissor, but as you can see, I have already cut a circle out of cardboard. Now we are going to divide this circle into 16 equal parts. Now that we have divided the circle into 16 equal parts, we are going to take these colored triangles and paste them on these triangular spaces. I have marked this parallelogram, which has a base of 7.5 centimeters and a height of 3 centimeters. When we join these two vertices, we get two triangles. Now I have cut out these two triangles from this area. When you join them together, they make a parallelogram. Now we make similar triangles out of these colors too. And then we paste them on the circle like this. We keep the same colors opposite just to make a pattern. Now that we have fixed all the colored triangles on the circle, we need to make a hole in the center of the circle. You can make the hole with a screwdriver or any other object, but I have made it with a pencil. Then we fix the screw inside of this hole. This screw will act as an axis and the circle will rotate about it. Now we need to cut a parallelogram out of this cardboard. I have already done so over here. And then we need to take the same size colored triangles and paste it on the parallelogram. Something like this. As you can see, our parallelogram and circle are ready. I have taken this thin and hard piece of cardboard, which will be the base of our project. I have marked where to place the parallelogram and the circle. We take the circle and we place it over here, and then we put the screw through. Now that we have placed the screw, we need to place the parallelogram over here. We take double-sided tape and now we put the parallelogram in level with this semicircle line. Now our main body of the project is ready. Now we take one of these paper clips and this yarn and tie them together. I have done so over here. Then we put this clip inside the edge of this circle Make sure it's tight so it doesn't come out. Now, as you can see this line, this is a semicircle. The length of the thread is the exact half of the circumference. And now we can put this thread through this other clip. A circle's circumference is 2 pi r, and this pin till this clip is exactly half of the circumference. Therefore, this thread is pi r. Now, we take the thread and slowly pull it across over here. Now, as you can see, the length of the semicircle is equal to the length of this side of the parallelogram. This side is also known as the base. Therefore, the base of the parallelogram is equal to pi r. Now we have proved that the base of the parallelogram is equal to pi r. Now let's look at the height. In the circle, any side of the triangle is equal to the radius. Therefore, the height of the parallelogram will be equal to r. Now we know that half of the circumference is equal to the base of the parallelogram. That means the base of the parallelogram is equal to pi r and the height of the parallelogram is equal to r. The formula for the area of a parallelogram is base into height, which means the area of this parallelogram will be pi r into r. So pi r into r is equal to pi r square. Hence proven that the area of the circle is pi r square.